Welcome back, ladies and gents. I've got everything wired up finally. The X21 is in. All the wiring is run. All the stuff that runs up and runs the headlights and turn signals, the turn signal, the rear brakes, and all of that's wired in. All the controls, everything's ready to go. So we turn it on, and everything lights up like it's supposed to. Turn on the headlight. There we go. And there's the high beam. And then we got signal there. And back here, you can see the running lights on, with the tail lights on. And let's try the other side. Looky there, it works. And it works. And here's the fun one. You see the horns on either side? I think it will be heard if somebody pulls out in front of me. And then, of course, although there's no oil or gas or anything in it, so I'm not going to crank it too much, but I will show you it does crank over. So that works. So we are ready to put on exhaust, put some oil in it, put some antifreeze in it, and hook a gas bottle up to it and try it out. I'm still waiting for the tank. I just flushed the tank to get all the rust out, and I gotta wait for it to dry out so that I can get the new liner in it, and then I can put that on. The seat has been made. I made a seat pan out of wood and put foam on it, and then I got leather. And now it's over at a friend's who is going to do the leather work for me because he has the big leather sewing machine and stuff that I don't have. So he's working on that, and hopefully I'll have it soon. But the idea is today to actually get the thing to start by the time the end of the video comes up. So here we go. There we go. Now, I do have a couple of these little baffles that I can put into the stainless steel pipe here if this turns out to be too loud with just these on. So I'm not going to put them in at first, but if I need to, I can. I have them. So. That is the amount that it calls for. That is not full. Now we're full. Okay. And we're leaking. Oh no. Now I gotta figure out where it's leaking from. Oh, I can see it right there. Well, it's dripping from this connector right here. Great. All right, I've got oil in it. I got a gas bottle hooked up to her. The coolant stopped leaking. I just had to tighten up a couple of bolts and it was fine. So I think we're going to try and start it. So here we go. I know we got a fuel problem because when I hit it with the starting fluid, it wants to start. So somewhere it's just not getting fuel, which means I've got to look into some things. All right, here we go. Okay, so turns out the problem with the it not getting fuel was that the new needles, float needles that came with the carb kits were the wrong ones. So I had to put the old needles back, float needles back in, and now it works. So here you go, guys. It runs, but I'm still waiting on a seat, and I just put the liner in the gas tank yesterday, so it's got to sit for another 3 days before I can put gas in it. And I've ordered new jets for the carbs because it's not running quite right, and I believe it's because I've got the pod air filters on there and the jets aren't big enough. So I've ordered new jets. They'll be here Saturday. So yeah, I'm going to call it good for this video, but I think that in the next video we should be taking it for a spin, see how it does. Oh, and I gotta make a license plate holder yet. I haven't done that yet. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that on camera. It's kind of a simple thing, you know. But yeah, I'm excited. The leather for the seat looks really cool. So when it's on here, it's kind of a blue and black marbly looking stuff. Yeah, getting excited. I want to take this thing for a spin so bad it hurts. Anyway, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.